another video. You are watching FoneZone with me, Karishma Rana, and today we are going to discuss about a variant which has something in its name itself. मतलब आप लोगों ने वैसे तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा. It's about passport. We are going to discuss or we are going to see about BlackBerry's passport today क्योंकि ये फोन जो है बहुत ही ज्यादा अलग लुक में आया था. कह सकते हैं ये फोन जो है थोड़ा अलग इसलिए भी था बिकॉज इट हैज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग इन इट. थिंग से मतलब ये नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा अलग दिखता है इसीलिए, बट इट हैज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स which we see in BlackBerry key 1 nowadays. So this is something very relevant to that. Talking about BlackBerry Passport, it was released or it was announced in 2014. Yes, 2014 का है. ये भी हम कह सकते हैं कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मॉडल आउट है क्योंकि की 1 में जैसे हमने देखा था कि डिस्प्ले जो है वो बढ़ गई थी, डिस्प्ले जो है वो बढ़ा दी गई थी. तो द सेम थिंग हैपेंड आउट है. दिस वाज द अर्लीस्ट मॉडल आउट देयर पासपोर्ट, जिसकी वजह से आगे जाके चेंजेस देखने को मिले. वी कुड सी दीस चेंजेस इन द अदर वेरिएशंस. Talking about the variations, you will see that this phone has something very exciting with it. And that is the type of it. मतलब ये बहुत ही अलग टाइप है. We can say the structurality of this phone is quite different, unique, which has led it to into controversy of good and bad both. इस structurality की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा controversy आई है. Talking about this phone, let us get ahead with the specifications quickly. Looking at this phone, you can we all can say that this has a keypad to it, as well as it has a glass front. Along with it, it has aluminium framework and plastic back. मतलब कह सकते हैं काफी ज्यादा अच्छा वेरिएंट ये कहा जा सकता है. लाइक एज कंपेयर टू अदर ब्लैकबेरी सीरीज, इसमें भी काफी ज्यादा अच्छा वेरिएशन देखने को मिल रहा है. Whereas if we talk about the display of this phone, it has got IPS capacitive touch screening. Yes, IPS capacitive touch screening you will get to see in this phone. So this is quite a nice variant out here. We can also say that this variant runs on BlackBerry's operating system itself. Yes, BlackBerry के operating system पे ही work कर रहा है. So we can say BlackBerry operating system 10 is already inbuilt in it. तो कह सकते हैं काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है. Yeah, later on Androids पर आया है BlackBerry. You can see Android versions in many of the phones out there, but definitely it has got something very exciting, which is the expandability, or we can say the upgradability of this BlackBerry operating system, which is up to Android 3.2. Yes, 10.3.2 is an upgraded version out here. We can also say that this phone or this variant out here has got some amazing features in the chip system or some we can camera quality. If we talk about the chip system or the CPU, it has got Snapdragon 801 for you guys. Yes, 801 is there for you guys, so you can definitely check this out. Whereas if you see this phone, then you will get to see that it is dedicated to SIMs as well as memory card. Yes, a single SIM slotted phone with an expandability memory card, because the internal memory is not sufficient for people. Talking about the internal memory, it has got 32 GB internal storage capacity along with 3 GB RAM. So this can be said that it has got some nice variation out here. As well as we can also say that this phone has got an amazing camera out here. Yes, camera. If we talk about the camera, 13 megapixel rear camera. Yes, 13 megapixel rear camera is there along with 2 megapixel selfie camera. Whereas if we talk about this camera only, then we can say that this placement of camera is quite a different variation of rectangular central path, as well as the display is capturing a very different way it has to capture. Along with it, it has got 3400 mAh battery. Yes, 3400 mAh battery is already inbuilt in it, so it's quite a nice variant out there. But when we talk about this phone, there are major drawbacks to this phone. Yes, there are major drawbacks. Talking about the disadvantages of this phone, or we can say drawbacks of this phone, then you will see that this design itself is not liked by many of the users. Reason for not liking this design is the awkwardness or the we can say difficulty in using it or something like this, because it might have a compact touch screen, but it's very large for the hands. Yes, it either should be entirely full display or very small display, so that it's easy, because the keypad is very small out there, whereas there is recording out there with a very poor quality. Yes, camera quality which is offering the recording is very poor out here. You'll also see that there are non-replaceable battery out there, non-usable, non-replaceable battery types, so which is very difficult for the BlackBerry users also. And you will see that the keypad involved in it, the keypad out here, the keypad or this entire system out there, which is having the uh, alphabets out here, or we can see the camera, everything out there. It is actually not a very effective one out here. Yes, it's not very effective out here, which is not showing a great variety, or we can say that it is not up to the mark, and it's not up to the mark out there. But talking about this phone, we can say that this phone has got some amazing variations out there that has evolved over the period of time. Yes, over the period of time, it has definitely evolved. And since it's a very limited now, it's very limited edition, or we can say very limited websites are offering these kind of phones. I have got a one for you. Yes, I have got an amazing website, and the website name is FoneZone.ae. Yes, the description has its link, or you can definitely check this out, FoneZone.ae. आप यहाँ पे Google पे भी कर सकते हैं. Why I'm suggesting this website? Because it offers firstly COD as well as free home delivery, and they are promising for the 100% original products out there. Apart from these things, you get to see all your favorite brands. Yes, all your favorite brands out here. You can see this category, all mobile phones. Then you get to see this icon is there, which offers you that it offers all mobile phones out here. Yes, इस category में आपको आपके favorite brands देखने को मिलते हैं. You get to see everything out there. Not just the brands, but we can see the deals also. They are offering you all the deals out here. Since I clicked on the category itself, तो इस category में ये मेरे को n number of brands देखने को मिलता है. I can see all the brands out here, as well as I get to see these kind of things. Like Apple is there. This is offering best deal out here. Brand new products are there. Your favorite gadgets. Now everything out there is available over here. So you can definitely check this out, or you can search your favorite model out in this search icon bar. This helps you out to identify or shortlist your favorite models or your favorite gadgets in a specific GB color, or a very specified way. We can say a very specified way. So this is all for today. The link has been given in the description. You can definitely check out this website. This is FoneZone.ae. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.